John, where are we going?
Go look at a quad.
Go look at a quad. You ready, Alina?
We're not gonna look, we're gonna bring it home.
Okay, we're bringing home a quad. And we're bringing home a quad for the property. We're getting a hell of a deal on it, so let's hope it looks decent. Okay, so here it is. She will do the job. Right, babe?
What?
She'll do the job.
This is as good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
Teddy.
Hey,
Teddy.
stay, because it won't run.
Teddy. Teddy. Trip. Wanna say hi to the camera? Oh, yes. And Theodore. So handsome. There you are. Get him. So we are home, and one day later, John is going to. What are you going to do?
Unload this thing?
Take this thing out of his truck. So here is him unloading it, and then we'll actually be able to get a real good look at how much work he's going to have to do before we can take this back up to Oregon and be able to use it. It's a 1998 Yamaha Timberwolf, and here it is, him taking it out. Indiana. Hi, Indy. Oh, and Trip. Yes. So here we go. She's a little ugly, a little trashy, but we can make her work. I think. Oh.
full in, it looks good. That's a shocker. Seriously. The brakes. Throttle stuff. No. So it's got a full start. This is a shifter. I don't know how this thing works. We'll figure it out. This is the choke. That's out. Engine stop. Run. Kill switch. No battery. We'll order one of those. Fuel is off. Now fuel is on. Reserve. I like it. But is this thing still in? Maybe that's four-wheel drive. Ready? Oh. Damn.
Whoa. It's like you're starting a big ass lawnmower.
Still gas spewing.
Uh-oh.
See where it's coming from.
Oh, Jesus.
That's okay. It's coming out of the overflow. I bet you the float bowl's stuck. So I'll shut it off. It shut off. So it's okay. I'm not gonna pull the carburetor apart tonight though.
Nope.
Nope. So I bet you the float's stuck. It's fine.
Friday or Saturday. During the weekend. Oh, wait a minute. Is it going to rain?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
You're going to be out here in the rain?
No, probably do it.
You better make some garage room.
I don't know. Crap.
What do you think, Theo? You like it? Teddy said he's ready.
There he is.
All right, guys. Once again, over and out.